I love perfect.
Enjoy.
Thanks, Ma.
You're welcome. All right, guys. For the shawarma filling, I used carrots, cucumber, chicken, and mayonnaise and burger cream. And then I added a little bit of chili pepper, just for that kick. A little bit of spiciness to the burger. I mean, to the shawarma. I haven't eaten all day, so I'm so hungry today. And this is to 5, right?
Yes.
You see, to 5. I haven't eaten. I'm super duper hungry. But me that I know, I might end up not finishing this thing. Yes? There is no more. Everybody gets 2. It's only Blessing that said she wanted 1, and she may come back for her remaining 1. So it's remaining 1 here. Everybody gets 2. I don't understand what this is. 1,000,000,000 out of 10. Wow. That's huge. Cheers, guys. Come and join us. Okay. Oh, yeah, enjoy. Zillion. Okay. I don't know if you can see it. It's so flavorful and tasty.
They said they're giving you billions and millions out of 10. My own is there's always different when a woman goes to market and when a man goes to market.
What happens?
You see the nice dish because you went to market yesterday once in a year.
Is that what you came here to tell them?
So you like to be eating bread and tea. Let me continue going market for you.
I thought you came here to rate it.
I've rated it now. I've given you your point.
Okay, that makes sense though. So you like it,
I
right?
don't care whether it makes sense. Keep going market. We want it like this every day.
I should keep going market. Okay. Oh, I wish I filmed the recipe. I was so hungry and tired, so I couldn't film it. Maybe next time. It's so good. But you can do it too. Let me tell you what I did. I blended cabbage. Did I mention that before? I blended some cabbage. Like, I used my food processor to kind of roughly chop them. They are not smooth. They are just tiny chunks in there. So the cabbage and the carrots, I used the food processor to chop them. Also the chicken, I bought already cooked one, already made one from the supermarket. So I just poured everything in the food processor and blended it, and then poured inside the bowl of carrots and the cabbage and mixed everything together. And then I mixed this, the mayo and the burger cream. I mixed both of them in a different bowl, added some chili, added some tomato ketchup, added a tiny bit of salt, mixed, and then poured everything in one bowl and mixed everything together. Then open up your flat bread. You know those circle flat bread. You open it up, take a reasonable amount of the filling, put it, wrap it, and then pop in the oven, or you can pan sear or pan fry it, whichever one. But I did mine in the oven, obviously, so it will be easier for me. I don't want to stand there frying one after the other. I had to put everything all at once in the oven, and in like 5 minutes it's already done. See, the back is still fresh, this side is a bit brown, right? You can see it, and that is how I love it. This thing is finished. Try mayo. Mayonnaise is also very nice. You're welcome. Guys, go and try it. You will love it. You see how my hubby came out to rate it, even though I don't understand that type of rating, but you guys understood what he meant. And then I fried some Irish potatoes, even though they are not crispy, but it still tastes nice.